You join me a little way through the assembly of this amazing GT, where we've got subframes fitted which have been colour matched to the car. Quite a nice feature. Got some new suspension cones, new fixtures and fittings, a semi-solid mount kit for it. So with some uprated poly bushes, competition tower bolts, and a solid mount at the top. Rubberized teardrops, just to give it a little bit more of a taut feel on the road, coupled nicely with the level 1 handling pack. Really lovely bit of kit which I use quite a lot of from MED. Really nice tie bars, rose jointed, fully adjustable bottom arms, again rose jointed in there, you can just about see it. We've got some new discs, calipers, dry flanges which haven't yet been fitted, Bilstein shocks going on when they arrive, and some nice Goodrich braided hoses. Quite a few of the components going back on this are from its previous restoration. The master cylinders, wiring loom. On the inside we've got some of the wiring in, we've got the pedal box in. Nothing else really going on the inside. We've got the rear subframe in place. Again, trailing arms, cones, high-lows, that's all fitted. We're going to ditch the standard spacered drums. We've got some nice lightweight aluminium mini fins going on it. So the next step of the assembly on this is the front end, getting the rest of the brakes and the suspension sorted. Pull through a little bit more of the wiring. And then it's probably at a point where we could get some rear lights in place. Some of the bright work in place. Two really lovely wheels. Torn for choice as to which one we're going to put on. Really lovely RGs and GKNs. Yeah, I'll keep you updated with the build as we progress. Keep following.